I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out the milk. I take out the milk. I take out the eggs. I take out the egg. I put them on the table. I put them on the table. I add the milk. I add the milk. I mix the ingredients. I mix the ingredients. I make a cake. I make a cake. I put the cake in the oven. I put the cake in the oven. I wait for the cake. I wait for the cake. I take out the cake. I take out the cake. I add the cream. I add the cream. I decorate the cake. I decorate the cake. I put the cake on the table. I put the cake on the table. I cut the cake. I cut the cake. I eat the cake. Eat the cake.